and Saints. Abateguye neza cyane ngaba bitwa bandi Moonstone. Abon Entertainment, Moonstone Entertainment ni nka company uko over the one film production. Banu bakoro. And now Blanca Films production. Narize ndasoma nibasome ndavuga ba pipi ba yakunoryi n'ababidiye rutwe sinners and saints abacumura n'abatagatifu Johnny Strong akarimo cyane abacumura n'abatagatifu Kevin Phillips dutangira ndege zinambara inambara imeze nabi cyane sinzi ariko ni misozi sana ari yo muri Afghanistan Costas Mandela akarimo cyane bano bakuru narize Shin Patrick Flannery ndasoma nibasome uzabwire yakuntu ryutsema amazina yose filimi irangire ubwire PDA azasoma najya gusomera ijambo limited azavuga ratada etepu bashaka gusoma limited Kim Coates ibyo bikwereka umuntu ukubwira ibyo akubwira ko kubeshya uzabwire pipi ni pipi harya cyitwa cyande cya kindi gifite ibitinsino bibyibushye kimwe cyavuyemo imifupi gasohoka inyuma ni pipi nyakwicwa n'uburoro nuko dutangiye filime Jolene Blarock akarimo cyane Brooklyn Sudano nambara imeze nabi barakwerekana amashusho bisa naho arimo gusubirwamo sinzi impamvu amashusho yasubiyemo ariko filime yiswe nde Tom Berenger mwibuke mga filime kitwa Sniper Tom Berenger Sniper Tom Berenger yagukiniye amafilime menshi cyane Sniper rimwe kabiri gatatu Tom Berenger yagarutse muri ndanamukwereka Johnny Strong yarakanditsa naga producing nawe uyu musore uri ku ruhande
My penguin have to cross the desert shining but it was in the middle of summer in a 76 Pinto anyways
dutanya n'abasore babiri umwe yagendaga abwira mugenzi we atumva nta mpamvu yo kugira ubwoba kuko agenda ibuka rimwe nigeze kugira isoni bimbera bibi nuwo nakundaga
no
Is that the car?
ya kanaga avuga ngo yawe mwari mu modoka se
anyway so he's driving along he decides to take it into the shop
twari twasohotse
the mechanic and goes hey there brother how's it going can you help me out here
ahura n'udafite isoni ata n'abapolisi babiri mugenzi bagenda baganira umwe araganira inshuti nta mpamvu yo kugira ubwoba n'isoni mu gihe ufite ukundi ugomba kumubwira
ice cream parlor right across the street so he waddles across the street
nagiye gukata umuhanda nkase street ingana hakurya ngo ngiye kugura ice cream
big beautiful bowl of vanilla ice cream
kujya kugarukana za ice cream ngeze hakurya umwiza nasanze bamujyanye
he can't grab a spoon like you and me Sean he can't do it
Sean ntugerageze kuba wamfata nabi Sean abakobwa beza iteka bajyanwa n'abandi bagabo iyo bafite babo aragenda ganira Sean no yutwaye we yakomeje kumviza Sean yifitiye akajigo wajya ni Sankara bafitanye isano Sean Sankara buya nawe afite ijigo Sankara niwe muntu ufite ijigo n'igikanu ko bagenda baganira
looks like you blew a seal my penguin goes
ubwo nibwo bwanyuma namubonye
it's ice cream it's just ice cream
nari ice cream inyuzura ku munwa niyenda yirya inyuzura ku munwa bagiye baganira n'abapolisi babiri nkuko uza abapolisi bari mu kazi nkuko uza inshuti ziri mu kazi zigenda ziganira mu nzira bagenda barasana bagiye kuri operation
We're a few blocks out Trey and Franco got the bag mandates up
mwitegure aho tugiye mwibuke neza ko ashobora kuba harimo ibirara kandi murabizi abantu iyo banyoye urumogi ntibamenya ngo ni polisi uriya ni umuntu usanzwe bariyahura uko yahamagaraga kuri telefoni imodoka zaratandukanye hari yari inyuma yabo ni yabo
Yo, this is it. We're here.
We got it, this is it. Twahageze ni hano. Bafite n'amashusho y'umuntu bashaka. Shani ni usa nawe yoboye operation igikorwa. Aparika imodoka za police neza. Raka. Baje gufata ikirara. Kinkuru urumogi rwinshi, kivuga ibigambo bibi kiratukana. Mpaka wacyo mu rugo. Abandi ba police baca inyuma. Komangas wa komanza ari we ko ari wa fandi arakomanga barakomanga kumbi birara nabyo bifite imbunda
What y'all want?
murashaka iki
police department
ini policeman
Fuck you want?
mushaka iki niga
what do we want
cyo dushaka
for starters open the door asshole before we kick it in
fungura urugi mbere yuko turutera ngo rweme indani
You in a dangerous motherfucking place.
mwana mwaje muyoba ahantu habi cyane niga ikintu kiravuga nka pipi
it's an NO fucking PD bitch open the fucking door
fungura urugi turashaka kwihagarika wa muswa we
All right, Mr. Popo, you got it.
And let me see some ID first.
Mubanze munyereke karita kwanza. Let me see some ID first.
G.
Karita.
Yo.
Na karita tugwa turi abapolisi. Reka nyicere karita. Go. Aya! Penyu mu polisi. John kamo. Masasu. Polisi yarahanutse. Yagiye kureba mugenzi we. Yaragiye kwerekana kabaji. Abandi nabo birabarasa. Masasu. Moto. Bifite imbunda za automatic ziraza abapolisi. Oh, yagiye kureba mugenzi we.
I got an officer down. Officer down. Shots fired. 108.
Nkeneye ubufasha, officer ari hasi, umupolisi ari hasi, baramurashe. Nkeneye ubufasha. Tangiye guhamagara ambulance. Masasu.
I got you, man.
Masasu ya nyayo.
Come on, motherfucker.
Muza mwabaswa mwe.
God damn it. I need medical U-turn with OC Haley. Officer down. I repeat, I need a medic ASAP.
Uwa mbere yaciyeho.
Stay with me, Dave. Stay with me.
Dave tugumane.
Code red. Officer down. Shots fired. 180.
Code red, umupolisi baramurasha ari hasi mutabare vuba. Dave.
Dave,
Wa wundi wazaga ganira ko bamutwaye umugore. Dave baramurashisha mu ijosi.
shut the fuck up.
Dave yashaka kuvuga yaramubwira ngo naceceke. Wapi kumbe byanze. Masasu. Birara ntago bongeye kubyorohera. Baza kurasa abapolisi babiri. Ndari. Agaturika kakumena n'amatwi. Kabazibye amatwi shaho. Baya! Urusura. Baya! Tuzi abapolisi binjiye. Polisi binjiye. Birara kuba polisi. Ni adapfa igisambo arapfa. Aya! Mugatuza. Polisi binjiye. Shin ndani.
Reno.
Hang on, Trey, they're coming.
Fuck! Motherfuckers!
Tukana shamva kuna tuka polisi sha.
Reno,
It's cool, buddy. The medic's coming.
but it's gonna take
Manu bufasha buraje.
you motherfuckers to
Ndaba hamwe abapolisi mwe.
bitch! Fucker!
Oh. Aya! Cyari kimwe. Ndatuza. Shan. Target ari nayo. Shan. Kirimo kiravurura kishe mugenzi we mukanya. Ni nacyo cyavugaga cyumva. Ngo kirashaka ID.
Look at me, motherfucker.
Ndeba gicucu.
Look at me.
Ndeba. Cyane murebye. Umutima wacyo. Oh. Pima umuntu umubwira ngo ndeba. Kishe mugenzi we. Mugenzi. Ubuzima nuko bugenda. Mwebwe muri hano muri ihebye ngo abantu barapfuye barashize namwe muzapfa mwuka pamwe. Ngewe paka Yesu aje nzaba nkiriho. Hallelujah. Cyacu bidatinze mu gitondo. Masaha maze guhitamo barakwereka cya kirego tukivuyeho tugaruka kuri ruhande. Hari abandi bapolisi nabo bari ku kirego abantu batwitswe barashya barakongoka. Haje abagome baho kuri iduni. Nakuno hari umudamu wapfuye. Urugo rw'umuntu. Bona hari agakobwa kapfuye. Abo babiciye mu rugo ariko hari n'uwapfuye arashya arakongoka. mafoto bararira.
Can you believe this?
So what do we know?
Well, besides this poor bastard, you've got the grandmother and the mom, and the little boy and his sister.
Nta kindi hano twamenya usibye nyogokuru, grandmother and the mama, little boy and sister, nyogokuru ndetse na mama, akana gato k'agahungu no mushiki wabo.
So what's all this white residue?
Ibi byose wabikoze yashakaga iki?
It's like fire extinguisher spray.
Tekereza gutwika umuntu agashya kamera kuriya. Yewe data we, Bermeng ari hejuru do. Ameze nk'ikigabo cy'igihigi cyitwa Mucyo. Yewe yashingitse. Mucyo wafite ibyinya kiri na muzima buse yapfuye hiye abyamera bite.
It looks like they doused him with an accelerant, ignited him, then they extinguished him. Then they repeated the entire process at least 2 more times.
Nukeke ko bamwishe ari uko ameze. Babanje baramutwika atari yapfa. They extinguished him. Bamutera bya byuka bituma umuntu azima. Baramuzimya ugarima arababara, barongera baramwatsa bushasha. Gutwika umuntu kabira arimo gushya yenda gupfuka kazimya ukongera ugatwika.
Who owns this place? I mean, who's paying the bills here?
Ninde wishyura hano? Ninde nyirurugo? Who owns the place? Who pays the bills here? Ninde nyirurugo? Ninde wishyura iyi nzu?
Let's see, Malcolm Varanato.
Vanato?
Yitwa Vanato.
You mean Malcolm Vanato?
Yitwa Marco Vanato. Marco Vanato.
Renato, yeah, okay, that's right.
Ni Vanato, nari nsomye nabi, erega ntago nzi gusoma ameze nka PP. Ni Marco Vanaro. Cyari cyavuze Vanaro, kumbe ni Vanato. Kibanje kuvuga uko kitazi gusoma.
He's a reporter for the Picayune.
Uramuzi se? Ni umunyamakuru kazi.
His big brother Wedo Vanato also
afite musaza witwa Welo Vanaro.
happens to be one of the biggest drug dealers in New Orleans.
Numwe mu banyabyabwenge bakomeye kuri iyi si. Umukobwa witwa Vanato, Marco Vanato, afite musaza witwa Vanato, numwe mu banyabyabwenge bakomeye kuri iyi si.
You don't say.
Bivuga ko
Meaning
bivuga
we just stumbled into something way the hell out of it.
wasanga abangaba babaye inzira karengane za mwene wabo ucuruza ibiyobyabwenge. Wenda yarahemukiye abandi banyabyabwenge bakaza kwihorera iwabo. Yewe no Doramengo yapfina wikane yapfashingike yashingike Doramengo amenyo waje ngo mucyo afite ibyinyo byinshi nyakwitwa n'uburoro waje ngo afitanye isano na pipi. Sinners and saints, filime yiswe nde abanyabye abatagatifu n'abacumura. Barakwereka umujyi wa Los Angeles nukumeze nako Los Angeles. Tugaruka hakuno hari warebaga mu kinyamakuru cya Baghdad by you.
At it, Mike. It's right in front of me.
Mike, ntugire ikibazo kirani imbere yanjye. Sasa hari amakuru mwibuka filime itangira batweretse ari indege zirimo kurasa ari namba rijya mbere.
Come in.
Menya ari Baghdad. Sasa yavugaga ko ikinyamakuru kimuri imbere umukobwa amenya ari cyo yasize. Umukobwa witwa Vanato. Hari abantu yandikaga bakoze amakosa muri Baghdad ari abanyamerika.
I don't care what you all heard. Truth ain't determined by a majority vote.
Simbyitaho ibyo mwe mutekereza. Ukuri twamenya nuko abantu benshi bemeje ikintu gishoboka ko ari ukuri.
Why don't you all come down?
Sawa, kumbe afande hano arimo arakira raporo zidasanzwe. Umugabo ni witwa Tom Berenger. Amazina nyakuri. Turitiranwa nanjye nitwa Tom Mwoka apfamwe abatari babizi. Yes, cyagariwe.
On the streets?
Bamwe bazi ngo yanga ikisi.
Thus.
Ndiseriye. Mushaka abanyabyaha.
Call me back if you want to pick
Tom Berenger. Mwibuke mugafilme kitwa Sniper. Sniper dutatu twose. Yarababa yafite kirego bikomeye.
You know, one day, just one day,
just one day,
I wish they would declare open season on the politicians.
Yes, amen. Niyo tuza kwibera abanyapolitike cyangwa abandi bantu bibereyeho bisanzwe tukava muri force ya police uhura n'abanyabyaha benshi uwafashe inkoko ku ngufu uri akaza kurega inkoko yanjye bayifashe uje kukuregera inkoko yanjye najyanye kwa muganga bakwitera urushinge abapolisi cyabahura n'ibibazo kandi byose abapolisi bakagomba kubikemura.
Thanks for stopping.
Uza skari ko namusanze agiye kuregera gatoki ke ngo kacitsemo kabiri. Narumiwe.
Yeah, anytime. What's the latest? What's going on?
Umupolisi kandi ubwo afite inshingano zo kumusobanurira ko urutoki rushibuka ati genda umeze nk'umusore banyaruzashibuka. No igitoki cyarashibutse.
One of them being a favor I need from you.
Hari ubufasha bumwe nshaka kugira ngo ujyemo. I need some favor from you.
No problem, shoot.
It's about that reporter from the Picayune.
Yeah. Wewe umunyamakuru kazi uramuzi?
Yeah, he's on.
Ufite musaza w'umunyabyabwenge urati cyane.
Well, Malcolm was his pride and joy. So if Widow gets to those guys before we do, we'll be lucky if we find him.
Abanyabyaha nibagera kuri uwo mugabo witwa Vanato mbere yuko tumugeraho tuzaba abanyamahirwe no kumenya abanyabyaha baribo.
He says.
Ivuze ingingo.
Which just brings us back to the favor.
Niyo mpamvu cyakora
Homicide has requested somebody from street crimes to
abapolisi bashinzwe gukurikirana abapfu homicide n'abashinzwe gukurikirana abapfuye n'ababishe basabye umwe mu bantu bacu ngo ujye ukora mu mihanda, umwe muri street policemen. Uyu nguyu sasa akora mu mihanda, ibi byiti birara ngo kandi ngo pipi ngo yirirwa ateruye amapine mu ikarito, barakwirukankana dore umwe muri abana uyu
weigh in, lend him a hand, and
hanyuma
your name came up.
izina ryawe nuko ryazamutse, baravuga ngo arashaka Shan.
Okay.
Sawa,
No problem.
nta kibazo, no problem.
One other thing.
Ikindi kintu kimwe, Tom Berenger mazina nyakuri Shina Rbanza rito Tom Araz, Tom Berenger.
Johnny Tran. His lawyer claims you damn near tried to kill him.
I disarmed him. He had a 6-inch straight razor. And I think he got off.
Ari mwavuze muba mwakoranaga ngo washatse kumwica nibyo, reka da fandi yendaga kwica umuntu afite intwaro, hanyuma ndangije I disarmed him, namwambuye intwaro.
This is about
sinshobora kwica umuntu dukorana
in as many months than the shootout.
sinshaka niba arakoze kosa rimwe bongere bazana ndi makosa hano
For
kandi
Dave and Trey?
No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about what happened in the house after they got hit.
Dave amaze kuraswa byagenze bite, ndavuga muri iyo nyubako mwagiye
They're quizzing your boys. You think they're not the least bit?
abasare bose babajyanyeho nta na kimwe wazanye mu bo mwari mwateye kugira ngo byibuze tukibaze, urakeka ibyo ni byiza? Twagombaga no kubabazwa batumye kurasana na polisi.
It doesn't take a genius to figure.
Kigabo yarashe arimo kubwira ngo ndeba mu maso, nicyo arimo kumwishyuza Tom boss nuko uzaba boss, ariko ni boss uganira neza, arangije aratuza boss.
Look,
Umva,
where you at? I do.
ndakumva ndanakwizera,
Been there myself. You know about that.
gusa ntabwo ari jyenyine ukora aka kazi, nta nubwo ari umuyobozi jyenyine, urabizi kandi Berenger amaze gukura.
You keep heading down a path this dark.
Wirengagiza
I'll tell you
ibyahise.
something, son.
Urumva mwana muto,
Never find your way back.
ntukongere gusubira inyuma utekereza byinshi byakuvuye byaguturutseho. Komeza utera imbere mu kazi, menya hari ibyo ajya yibuka bigatuma akazi ke gapfa.
Is that it?
It's alright, sawa.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, nuko bimeze nibyo koko. That's it. Baratandukanye gusa avuye muri ka kazi k'imihanda, bamuhaye izindi nshingano zo kujya gukurikirana abantu bapfuye ni nandi wabishe. Saints and Sinners niyo filime turora. Kubera ko yakaje mu modoka ye, job nshyashya iramukomereye. Sasa uyu mugabo afite ahise he, afite akana ke yapfuje kagahungu, afite umugore we wapfuye. Ubu ni impfaga ubona hano, nako ni umupfakazi, harya n'abagabo bitwa abapfakazi ngo ni umupfakare, ariko umupfakare ni umuntu wapfuye vuba, so wapfuye karera. Hari nk'abantu ubona mu muhanda arimo kugenda wagira ngo arwaye uburoro, njye sinkubeshya, njye njya ndeba nk'akagabo kitwa yakuntorye, hari igihe kancaho nkavuga akagabo ni kapfuye koko. Tekereza akantu kambaye umukandara inyuma ntabwo ucometsemo, cya kinuza cyamanutse wagira ngo nagakominari, babakominari ba kera ipantaro zabaga zidakwiye gasanga hari ikintu cyashukuye ku kabuno kiri ku ipantaro, kandi ubwo kambaye ibikweto bigenda bicomoka n'ibisogisi byapfumutse ku ikunuza ku gitsinsino cha pipi, aragowe na yakuntorye izakuno.
Colin,
Bite
what the hell are you doing there?
how bite
Well, that's a fine fucking idea, isn't it?
nibiki
How long you been in town?
I don't know, not long, a couple of weeks.
wankurikiranye ryari? mushiki wawe yapfuye ryari? hashize ibyumweru.
They're not here right now. They're out of town at their folks' house.
Umuryango wawe uri he? Ntabwo uri hano, uri mu mujyi n'umuryango n'inshuti.
Hell of a day.
Kumbe sasa musaza wa kagakobwa k'akanyamakuru kazi karasa umuryango n'uyu nguyu yitwa Carl.
We'll drink here.
Whoa.
Tako kunywa we wivamo. Baraziranye. Yanze kubwira fande ko umuryango wa musuwa wa mukobwa wica umuryango amuzi umwe mu bavandimwe be, igisore cyamuvanyaho bajya kunywa inzoga.
Two Jamies.
Ko banywa inzoga baraganira ariko kibabaye.
So I storm really as bad as I said.
Oh shit, yeah, man. Right when the levees broke, it was like a fucking atom bomb went off.
Numva wapfushije umuryango none urasa nawe utabyitaye wibereye mu kabari. Bimeze bite?
Well, that was the worst thing, Carl, was watching people just wade through the water right past these bodies just like they weren't even there.
Ufite psychos n'abarwayi bo mu mutwe ngo ufite abarwayi bo mu mutwe bagukurikiranye kandi baragukurikiranye nawe bashaka kukwica nago bakwica umuryango gusa.
I just want you to know that I really appreciate you getting my granddaddy out.
Nanjye ndabyishimiye kuba umbwiye gusa kujya mu nzira yanjye.
Joe by his house the other day, told fucking right off. How's he doing? He's doing good, you know. Ended up moving in with his sister down in Algiers.
Umeze ute?
What about you, bro? You know, a little bit.
Ikihe kibazo gihari? Carl.
You know, I got out of dump right after you, right after flu.
Got a nice little gig working for a security contractor.
Shobora kuba narakubeshye sinjya nkwereka abantu twakoranaga ibiyobyabwenge sinjya nkwereka abo dufitanye za contract y'amakontra ariko
they pay mad money, brother.
Banyishyuye menshi muvandimwe banyishyura na menshi.
Cash income.
Wabivuyemo ko ari bo bashobora kuba barimo guhitana mu muryango.
Coming from somebody who chose to be a cop in this city.
Uri umupolisi ushobora no kuba wishimira ko umupolisi simbikunda ariko uranibeshya se barimo kurikirana umuryango.
So what's with the suddenly out of nowhere?
None se ni bande barimo kubisha umuryango wawe?
I'm about to leave town again. You know,
ndashaka kuva muri uyu mujyi.
When I'm gonna come back, I just
nubwo nzengera ngaruka.
See you one last time before I left.
Ni rimwe bwa nyuma ushobora kumbona kandi n'umuntu wari wese nzi ndamubwira ko ntashobora kugaruka nawe amve nyuma yo kunyigaho cyane.
You ever do something you wish to God you could undo? You know I am. You don't have any luck making it right.
Aricyo wigeze wifuza kunkorera cyiza unda turabizi ko nifuje gukura ibiyobyabwenge kuva kera. Polisi iragushaka ariko nanze gutanga.
That's what I thought.
Nibyo naketse. That's what I thought. Ngo nibyo naketse kuri bumbwire.
Yeah.
Yego.
Now?
Yego.
No, Lewis.
Oh yeah.
No, that's no good.
Oh yeah. Mugarasa ufite ikibazo baraganira ariko afite ibibazo byinshi mu mutwe. Ubwoba.
Sorry, brother, I gotta run.
Ufite kwirukanga.
You fucking kidding me? You're gonna talk to me about something like that? You're gonna walk.
Uramamagaye mbwira ubusa.
I almost forgot. I got Jacob a birthday present. It's a new movie with the Karate Tiger in there. Got in Bangkok. Shit ain't out yet. You should take a look at that.
Uzareba utwo tuntu gusa ntuzongere kunkurikirana.
Come on, man. What's going on?
Umva nibiki bijya mbere ariko kuca mu marenga.
It's good seeing you, bro.
Yari byiza guhura nawe, bro. Carl. It was nice seeing you, bro. Yari byiza guhura nawe muvandimwe. Abapolisi bakeka ko uyu musore abamwiciye umuryango ari bamwe mu bantu barimo kumushakisha kandi ngo babanyabiyobyabwenge. Tuvuye tugaruka kuri ruhande. Mwebwe abasore bamuhamagaye.
You wanted a driver's license, right?
Yari byiza cyane komeza uyindukire ngo ufotore. Ubundi abana we Knowless nutamucaho. Nako Knowless ariko wo muri Amerika, wo muri Amerika. Hano hari umukobwa ushaka gusora album barabanza akagufotora. Tugiye kujya mu hotel urumva tureye kuntu byina. Turi mu cyumba twenyine. Reka telefone karisi.
You get it?
Hano hari abakobo niba babanza kwigisha ibintu by'ubustari uko ugomba kwifata ibintu byose bakakwereka kuntu uzajya kurara rinyi ku murongo. Oyo ni gafotozi. Buretse gatonza nkongere.
1 2
Sash! Arabije mu barasa. Fire! Fire! Filmira. Umutwe. Ho! Filmira. Abase kandi bicara. Oyo byaramurebye byanga kumwisha. Niwe twanashakaga cyane cyane. Mu ntebe. Kugwambiriza Senyengi wo barashe mukagu bamwambirije Senyengi uri nawe bamuhambiriza Senyengi. Mwibuke filime itangira batweretse abapolisi bari ku kirego cy'abantu. Bahambira abandi na Senyengi barangiza bakabatwika dura kabido ka essence. Filime yiswe Sinners and Saints. Barimo barahora icyo abaturage. Urangiza kugwambira neza cyane. Bagabo ziri hano. Haruza agafata ibido y'amavuta. Gatwe kabi. amavuta ajya mu modoka essence niko bayita fuel petrol bakongeza uwa mbere kumba bafite cyakizimya moto mwibuke ngo baratwika bagera hagati urimo gupfa utari wapfa neza bakakuzimya ukivuga ngo mama bariye bakakongera bakagutwika nuwaka barazimya mama bariye barongera baracana twika nk'inshuro 3 barongera barazimya bwa gatatu barongera baracana bwa gatatu barazimya bwa kane ingumi ubu yatari yagira n'icyo bamubaza urubuga buko bureba.
Hello Lewis, this is Tom again, mate. Just thought I'd give you another quick jingle. Look, I hate to sound like a broken record, champ, but Sonny here asked me to give you another call to see if you could possibly stop by the studio as soon as you can. That'd be great.
Bishobotse wajya no kuri studio vuba ko dufite Sunny ashobora kugira icyo atubwira aramutse atanakivuze nawe turamugeza nk'abandi bose ko twabagenjeje.
We hope to see you.
Icyo bashaka ni icyo abagabo bakomeje gutwika abantu mu mujyi.
All right, mate. Ta-da. Bye.
Ndakumva sawa bye.
It's fucking ridiculous.
Binagatangaza. This is some kind of ridiculous. Kumbwa bahamagaraga yibereye kukamoja hakuno. Yewe. Urumoji. Vayo. Zakuri kakandi ka Sunny bafite.
Listen, mate, I really don't think this is going to work. This kid's not going to buy any of this bullshit.
Uyu mwana ntabwo nyaka ko biri bukore kuko nagashaka kugura umwandu wari wose turimo kumwereka ko nawe turi mu mutwike.
Okay.
Sawa.
How about you cut me loose with a few of the boys to see what I can scrounge up?
Wamurekura se byibuza akagenda akavuga inkuru yuko byagenze.
Rango, what do you say?
Uravuga iki?
Let's do it.
Gende abagabo basa naho bafite ikipe barimo barakorana ariko gukorana kwabo. Barabanza bacaho boss wundi arahageze. Kandi bahondaguye. Genzi wako yahiye kareba. Nundi afite urukovu shaho kwijisho. Metwe sinners and saints abatagatifu n'abanyabyaha nako bakamena amavuta sans. Oh,
You know what, Sonny?
urakanguka Sunny.
I just had the strangest realization. You and I might be more alike than you would have ever have thought. Bear with me on this, okay?
Gumana nanjye.
We're both artists, right?
Twembi turaba artists n'abahanzi. Twembi turi ba artists, sibyo?
Granted, we have chosen to work in vastly different mediums. Or canvases, if you will. But we...
Nta n'umwe wifuza kuba yahemukira undi ariko reba mugenzi wa kuntu yahiye genda undi sijya tumutwitse.
The same thing, right?
Ngo wanza kugira icyo uvuga.
Do is communicate our most sincere intentions.
Gusa nanone ni wowe bakuri telefone ni wose umuntu dushaka hari.
Isn't that right?
Siko bimeze?
Isn't that right?
Siko bimeze?
So tell me again, Sonny.
Mbwira Sunny ndongera nanjye nkubaze nubwo wanze kuvuga. Hari ubashaka.
Was your little buddy Lewis supposed to go and meet him?
Lewis ni inshuti yawe ari hehe kuko Lewis ni umuvandimwe w'umuntu dushaka.
He went to go collect a down payment. They left about an hour ago. He's supposed to be back by now.
Where is he now?
Baje kwagera basanga yagiye kandi yari yagiye nko mu isaha yari irangiye yagomba kugaruka mu yindi saha.
He went out with this girl. I swear to God, I don't.
Yarahira Imana sinzana Lewis ari.
Like we're back where we started.
We urimo ansubiza inyuma yaho twatangiriye. Ndashaka Lewis ari. Lewis ariko afite umukobwa w'inshuti ye niwe mwajya kubaza. Nukuri.
Let me ask you a question.
Reka ngubaze ikibazo.
Have you ever heard the legend
Wigeze wumva ibigwi
of Baba Yaga?
By'umuntu witwa Baba Yaga. Gicanye tabi. Oya! Twasize kavuza induru. Baba Yaga niba cyari cyo. Ngo wigeze wumva umugani wa Baba Yaga? A story. Ni nk'uwakubwira ngo wigeze wumva umugani wa wasyumetse. Wasyumetse wabiki? Ho! Kavugije induru shawo. Nako baragacana. Busubuyu. dore abapolisi sasa abangaba ngo mujye mudutabaza tubatabare ariko iyo bamenye ikibazo bahagera cyarangiye ngaba baje nabo muri Amerika ntago arabigahangaha nabo muri Amerika bahageze abantu bashize hawo turihuse uzi ko dusanze bagishyushye basanze abo barashe bagishyushye turihuse kabisa dutabaye vuba turihuse uzambwira ahantu utabaza uti nimuza barimo barangiba baza barangije kare no kugufata ku ngufu byarangiye bagiye ugatangira gutaka ubutaka iki umukecuru wanjye atari yapfa nyogokuru ariko pana mukecuru mbyara ndibuka yarambwiye umugabo nyamugirwa naka yaba atagafite akirenga umunsi ibibazo byaje n'umuturanyi urahamagara akaza birangiye nkanswe kominari ibanza kubwira reka dutegereze kankari banzize ubwo bavuga imodoka pana gari yari yagiye gahanga iraje imanuka inyakariro nibwo turi buhagere bakabanza no kunywa itabi rikarangira amapaki
That would be me.
Kanagatangaza.
I'm sorry, man. Trey Hands set me down.
N'ibyago niwe bambwiye turi bukorana ndati cyane.
Thanks for coming.
Think we could use you on this one.
Wakoze kuza Shin. Think we can use you on this one. Ni byiza dushobora kugoresha kuri ibi. Shin n'uyu nguyu wahageze.
Come on.
Ngwino nkwereke.
What, there's more?
Hari abandi bapfuye se? Oya ngwino nkwereke. Va kuri aba bapfiriye hano ngwino nkwereke ibindi. Haravuze, do you think there are more? There is more. Hari abandi barenzeho. Bageze hanze. Halo.
I'll be right down.
Ndaje mukanya hasi ndaje.
Look, walk him through this. I'll be right back. We'll do.
We komeza umujyane nanjye ndaje arabamagaye hasi mbiri igihe itasubira inyuma. We bahita bamuzana hejuru. Abagabo bahiye basamye shaho.
Just a minute.
Yagenze bite mwe mwatuviriye hano se.
So we think
Amuntu kwica nabusha. Dona mengo sha. Afuya hamwe.
this is the owner, Beaumont.
Uyu nguyu wapfiriye hano ni nyiri company yitwa Beaumont. Ngo numufotozi.
That's Sonny?
Yeah, you know it?
Uwo ni Sunny? Uramuzi ndamuzi.
Fake IDs, passports, credit cards, that kind of
Yakoraga za fake IDs, passports, credit cards, yakoraga za passports temewe, agakora amakarita temewe n'umuryogo. Za permis ziva mu biryogo. Abaryogo dore kuntu bapfa nabi. Na pifura aba mu biryogo ariko we no mustari nago namuvuga ababyeyi. Hano washize.
I read the report on Widow's kid brother. You think this same MO light him up?
Nasomye raporo ya Louis murumuna wa Louis. Barimo barashaka Louis. Sasa Louis afite karumuna ke kari kaziranye naka kapfuye kitwa Sunny.
Light him up again?
Yeah.
Ndakeka abishi yungu Sunny bashaka murumuna wa Louis.
Much identical.
Hari niko bimeze.
So you guys think this goes back to Widow, huh?
Urakeka byose birasubira inyuma kuri Louis. Ndati cyane.
Saying that. But I'll tell you what.
Rabizi.
You don't know anybody that's got the balls to go heads up against Widow like that.
What are you looking for?
Well, Sonny has this little fucking idiot he hangs out with named Louis.
Urashaka iki? Karumuna ka Louis abantu bose bakorana babaga bafite bwa tatuwaje ku birenge dore ba hari.
If this is Louis.
Cyangwa ni Louis.
Right there too.
Murumuna we.
The dog Bunny.
You mean to tell me this guy and Lewis have a matching poodle tap?
Yeah, I guess it sounds stupid, but
Niko bimeze.
you have to meet this dog, you know?
Buri yarabazaga ngurambwira ko uyu nawe si bafitanye isano cyangwa se bafite umurongo bahuriyeho na Louis.
Tap out numbers with his paw, twirl around like a ballerina. Don't
Bishe karumuna ka Louis batazi ko ari karumuna ke. Nako bari kukica nabi kurusha abangaba. Dore umupfusha hakurya. Wakapagusha mwese murakashira.
Alright, so let me guess, all the witnesses came down with CRS.
What?
Can't remember shit.
Namutanga buhamya numwe bigeze basigonda tereka da.
You see it. The kids downstairs were trying to score fake IDs. Went bam.
Abana bari hasi bamwe bashakaga fake IDs indangamuntu za fake. Ubwo ibintu byagenze nabi nabo babishe abantu baje kubicana numwe basiga.
Go downstairs, drag Sonny and this kid up here for the barbecue.
Bivuga ngo abangaba babazanye hejuru kugira babaze byinshi.
And this kid right in front of him over and over again. Then when they were done with them, they lit him up and left him twisting in the wind.
Niko bimeze abari hasi babishe kujya mbese nta mutanga buhamya numwe baje basiga inyuma.
Sonny's family and friends, anyone else.
Inshuti za Sunny zose zishwe umuryango we nawe dore kubamugeza.
See what I can do.
Tugende tubyigeyo turebe icyo twakora. Shan atajya mu modoka na mbirigi.
Hey,
wait.
When you walked in, you were looking for something.
Yeah, straight.
igihe winjiraga hariya hari ikintu wasaga nawe ushaka. Yego.
Strays? Stray bullets?
Nibisigazwa undatireka da. I was just looking for bullets. Nashaga masasu.
Weren't any. I'm not sure if you saw how tight those groupings were, but that type of shot placement takes some serious fucking talent.
So you were checking out the shell casings. The shooters were all within a couple of feet of each other, right? So they have history together.
I think I know who we should talk to.
I think I know who we should talk to. Uyu musore sasa tutwaye Sean asa naho yatekereje ku bantu barasha hariya atekereza n'imbunda zabo. Kumbe hakuno reba sasa bahanze batarafatisha ko niwe bimeze. Rebera fireman nuko yari ameze na yewe isi yarakubise yewe.
There he is. What you mean?
Yarakomeye niga yewe pifura ni usigaye ngo agenda gutya aririmba ahantu hose.
Question for you.
Turagushaka.
Talk to you. Right on, I'm good. Come over here.
Mwana rumagina ruvuyeho niga.
Come over here and talk to me.
Chakuvugana nawe. I want to talk to you.
Right. Melvin, you take another step.
Niwongera gutambuka ndahita ngufata ngufunge. Gwiki? Mwana rumaji umfatanye se ndagiye. Gacaho. Gacaho. Gacaho na gitari yako nta muhanzi usiga gitari uremera ugapfana nayo. Nta muhanzi usiga umurya arayijugunya biriya byakomeye. Aracyayifite. Ndibeshye. Aracyayifite. Imbegete ku birenge. Pi agwa hasi. Ske pipura.
What is this?
Ibi ni ibiki?
What? Melvin.
Kibiki?
Credit card fraud? I thought you were too far.
Amakarita tarayawe yo kuvanamo amafaranga kandi ukabafite menshi.
Admit to.
No, man, I ain't admit this shit. That's my old man's car.
This is your old man's car, Rajim Mugambi?
Mwana yo ni karita y'inshuti yanjye.
That's my mama's boyfriend.
Mwana ni inshuti y'umugabo w'inshuti ya mama wanjye. We.
Hey, come on now. Tell me what you want. You know, I'll give it to you.
Mubwire icyo mushaka ndakibaha.
All right, your boyfriend Louis.
That's easy, man. Go see Sonny. He hook you.
Umva Louis uramuzi. Mwana Louis ndamuzi ariko mujye kureba Sunny. Kumbe Sunny ni wa wundi batwitse.
Yeah, we tried that. He's not going to be much help. What about the other cats he's rolling with?
Sunny ntawe uhari ngaho tubwire undi twareba.
Last time I seen him, they was running around with some white dude, some crazy ass fool from the channel.
Ubwa nyuma mubona Louis yasaga n'umuntu wasaze ambwira ibintu bidahura asa namuvuga ibintu bidahura yari afite ikibazo gikomeye.
Got a name?
Ufite amazina?
One of them cracker only names, some shit, Connor, Conway.
Colin?
That's it, Colin.
Yavugaga umuntu witwa Colin cyangwa Conway. Colin. Nkeneza kakanyamakuru kazi kapfuye musaza wako. Sasa uwo ngundi wasaga nawe yasaze yavugaga amazina y'uwo nguwo Colin. Colin. Kumburiya mu polisi aziranye na Colin. Mwibuke bigeze bicarana mu kibari. Ubu ndavuga ikibara. Bari kumwe mu kabari.
Ide.
Uriya caho. Mugenga cha mu kibara ko nta kintu yambwiye witwa Colin. Akabara kababari barakihorera. Bahita baza kureba mugenzi wabo. Yego.
Sunny Sal, you get a trace on it?
Kumbu uyu nguyu inshuti ya Karen arayizi yaje kureba inshuti ya Karen.
Hey Sean, one sec.
Sean, nyanganira segonda mbanza mvugana na mama hano.
Shit.
Shit.
Sean.
Sean.
Door's open.
Roger rwa rufunguye ariko.
Scared the hell out of me.
Where you going, Stace?
Nibiki?
What?
Ugiye he? Ngwiki?
Going, suitcase.
Ugiye ku muntu urimo gupakira.
I was just going to my mom's for the weekend.
Nagiye kureba mama.
Fuck you, Sean.
Stace, I saw your car outside.
Usa n'uwimutse. Stacy, mbonye imodoka yawe iri hasi.
What do you care?
Kuki ubyitaho? Kibazo gisweyo ka mitsingi.
How the fuck should I know?
Karen ari.
Seen him in 2 years.
Maze imyaka 2 nabona Karen. Maze imyaka 2. Karen ari marahigwa n'abantu barimo gutwika abantu. Karen buri muntu aziranye nawe wese barimo baraza bakamutwika n'aka gakobwa kari kimutse menya ko afite inkuru. We ngize ukuri Karen ari. Yakurwana n'ibyo arimo kwambura.
Haven't seen him in 2 years. What the fuck is this?
Myaka 2 utamubona amafaranga menshi wayakuyeho.
I'm getting out of here. I'm getting clean.
ndimo ndava hano
Going to Florida. I got an apartment and everything.
ndimo ndacika ngiye kujya muri Florida hano byakomeye abantu bose basenye na Karen baratwika bakanapfa nabi umupolisi arabyumva ahita amenya ko umukobwa ari amakuru afite.
God damn it! I want the truth!
ndashaka ukuri. I want the truth. Bararwana. wimbwira iby'ukuri ndakwiyamye. Amba sheri ndaza guhamagara mu kanya sheri. I love you too much. I love you like balls. Like balls. Hatajya kureba barimo kurwana gukora ku rugi bafunze. Umukobwa Stacy ararira.
You better not be fucking lying.
Fuck, I swear.
Wizana ibintu by'imikino mbwiza ukuri abantu bashize mbwira Karen ni cyo kibazo afite. Ugatinya kuvuga uyu ni umupolisi sa umupolisi rero buriya wakambije agahanga akaza umutsi ungana n'urutoki haragatsindwa.
I came home a couple of nights ago and I found
He came to me a couple of nights ago. Yaje wundi amajoro make yahise.
on the stoop. He was drunk and all coked out.
Nari ndimo kubyina bisanzwe.
He was talking nonsense. Wanting to run off some shit.
Yaje mu mwijima arambwira ngo he wants to run off some shit. Arambwira ngo ashaka guhunga akagenda n'umwanda we.
He started freaking out. He started
freaking out. Freaking out ni umuntu ubwo uvuga ibintu ariko asa nk'ufite ubwoba yikanga kanga.
And he gave me the money and he told me.
Yamaye amafaranga. He gave me the money and he told me. Yamaye amafaranga arambwira.
Don't ask any questions. Just
don't ask any questions. Ntugire ibyo mbaza maze kumuha amafaranga niko yambwiye ngo don't ask ngo nsingire ibyo mbaza.
Get the fuck out of town.
Ngo nimve muri uyu mujyi. Just to get the fuck out of town. Ngo nimve mu mujyi. Niyo mpamvu wabonye nanjye nari ndimo gupakira ibyanguye igitanda sinane kugisigira ndeko nari kukireka hano yanga we yataye intebe kwa Faustin.
Yeah, he said he was going to see you.
Yambwiye ariko ko nawe agiye kureba. Hano ari umugabo useka nabi wajyaho n'impimbi. Iki buri impimbi iki ni hamwe kirimo kunaga cyajya ukajyaho n'ibindi nuko kiba kinaga.
On one of the numbers at Sonny's. This building is some dump off of MLK.
Bwira bigenze bitari indani ngo numvaga mutongana n'ibiki. Kumbuye ngo yumvisha makuru yose. Karen ari muri uyu mujyi ariko buri muntu wese azi. Yaramwiyamye aramubwira ngo atazongera kumukurikirana ngo kandi nave mu mujyi agende. Abenshi bamaze gupfa. Barakwereka ngo yaje. Ugiyewe. Menya Katorori. Mwihangane gato. Rundi muntu bagiye kubaza mwihangane.
Yeah, he said he was going to see you.
Yambwiye ariko ko nawe ashaka kuza guhura nawe akagusobanurira byose dore umupolisi do. Uzi umuntu kureba ijisho rimwe risinziriye kandi ririmo kurira irindi naryo rikanuye. Ameze nk'igihunyira. Avaye mugenzi wari hano. Abaja. Twaje kubinda twaje mu biki. Baguye se ko naje gushora umubindo yewe. Ndabinduriya n'umwana ko ari bo babindika bakabinda Pampers ziva Burayi. Ntacyo mpfana na ntuzo wa wundi urimba muri Urban Boys hariya yitwa nde. Fafi umwe wabindaga Boris Fafi abavayo cyashashe cyanya kwitwe n'uburoro yewe yakigenda na Pampers aho kigeze hose mukabari kirabinda kiya abana bandi kibindi kaza Pampers baje hako imwe ebyiri eshatu urupolisi sasa narwo rusa nk'urwiyahuza rero ndi bica polisi bari kumwe none n'ubururiyahuye rufite agatuza gusa n'amajigo doraga kano kigenda nka Sankara do.
Excuse me? He's a buddy of yours, right?
Nishti yawe uje kureba.
Some kind of trouble?
Hari ibibazo arimo cyangwa is he in some kind of trouble? Baje kureba inshuti yabo uwo muntu abantu abicanyi bakomeje guhiga iki cyahise kizana umupolisi kitanamubwiye dore mbere inyuma. Arimo arabazagura ntibamubwire ariko nukibaragurisha. Okay. Kangubaze sha. Oya nakwiyamye nukibaragurisha.
What he's into, okay? The guy is a goddamn magnet for trouble.
Ndashaka kumenya ibyarimo. I want to know what he's into. He's just in some goddamn trouble. Ari mu byago ndashaka kumenya ibibazo arimo nibi.
So how long have you known him?
How long have you known him? Umuzi igihe kingana cyashize igihe kingana kimuziranye. Uyu ni mbiri yarakubaza.
Entire life. I've known him my whole life, Will.
Muzi ubuzima bwe bwose. Nubwo ari umunyabyo gwenye muzi igihe kirekire.
Pile of shit I've ever stepped in, Colin's been right in the center of it.
Ahantu hose nageraga Carl namusangaga arimo hagati. Ariko none wari hagati y'urupfu n'ubuzima abo baziranye barimo barishwa ndashaka kumenya abamuhigana bandi.
That's what I heard Stacy talking about.
Mwana ibyo nabyumvisha kira gikobwa kirimo kubivuga cyitwa Stacy narigize ngo ugiye gushora umubindo.
Did he?
Did he what?
Come see you.
Yigeze aza kukureba. Did he come see you Carl? Mwibuke neza mu kabari cya Carl kigeze kuza kiramubwira film itangira batari bari murakapfa gusa. ngo ntuzongere kunkurikirana bankurikirana bose ni ibibazo ntago cyagiye kure cyashye mu migani.
Yes.
Yego.
Last night.
Ijoro ryakeye yaje kundeba. Mwibuke neza mu ijoro yari bari kumwe mu kabari.
Night? You weren't going to tell me?
Bwira bijya mbere rero.
What did he want?
Yashakaga iki mujya guhura? What did he want?
I don't know what he wants.
Mwana sinzi ibyo yashakaga.
As soon as I find out though.
Nimbimenya ariko as soon as I find out though.
Trust me, you're going to be the first person to know.
Trust me, you will be the first person to know. Niwe wa mbere ubimenye.
Are we going to do this?
Turabikora tujye kumureba. Are we going to do this? Tujye kumureba tubikore cyangwa?
After you, sir.
Ndagukurikira banzaye. Bano bakuru narize uzi ko buri jambo nisobanura uko rimeze mwoka. Ariko man barinjira. Kandi mbisubiramo mwabyumvishe ku buryo ntago nakubeshye ejo ndi professor w'Ibutare yarampamaga ati yanga tuzabwira umukuru wa bose ubwo namwe muramwumva agwa amatungo ni yaranyibwiririye mukuru wa bose yaraje yanga zaguha itungo rigufi nirindi tungo muraseka sinamuvuga izina ni umukuru w'abantu ba professor mfite amatungo abiri tungo rigufi n'indi tungo ariko arabatari imbeba y'inzungu nuko ntamubarira abantu tabaza kwicecekera rero no kumuruka namubwira nti mujyana amatungo yanyu baje kureba wa wundi witwa Karen basanga bya bigabo bitwika abantu filime iraryoshye babiguyeho birakitwikira imari uyu bamutwitse ku manywa.
Wow.
Bega.
Well, hello boys.
Bite basore, hello boys. Bari baratwika umuntu wabo. Bivanzemo. Ureka kuna gatogo rwose nimukunda ibiryoshye mugitangiye inyungu nona. Inyungu zanyu nizi.
Easy.
Biragutwika bikakuzimya bagutwika nk'incuro enye. Ubwo nuko ngo upfa nka kane. Ubu nubona ko apfuye. Wasanga bamujimije none abendaga gutwika bwa kabiri.
Ease up, champions.
Buhoro.
Rid of you not knocking, mind you, but for now just take it easy.
Bafite imbunda za gisirikare. Ntabwo ari imbunda z'ibirara. Bamwe bacuruza imogezo batwara reka da. Umva mu bitware buhoro hari ubujyo turimo mu bitware buhoro. Imiziki kandi iyo barimo kwica umuntu barayisakurisha ku buryo umuntu ataka kumva imiziki. Barimo kubwira dore umupolisi uri imbere kunareba.
Get real fucking ugly real fucking fast in here if we're not.
Umva nimugerageza kwirakaza turabangutse kubarusha mu bikeka.
Fucking careful.
Mwitondere be fucking careful. Mbirigi we yarumiwe yumvaga inyama zihumura akajya ne brushette kumbe neza umuntu.
Comprendez-vous?
Mumbabari baya wa sasa rarota wa muntu batwika garazutse baragutwika ugapfuka garuka bakakuzimya sasa kumanywa kumbe nago biba byonyine sasa bagabateye nabi babaga barwana bataka abandi kwisi abandi bagizi banabi kwisi iyo babonye abashinzwe umutekano bababona barwana bahunga ibi birarwana byataka aya sibye iki cyahungaga dore bagenzi baje bahita bataka kandi bararwana bigaba mbere jya hera inyuma bari hagati aya uwa mbere hasi barabangutse shaho baraza bihuta mbirigi afite ubwoba bako bafite uburyo barasama bona mugenzi we baracyataka ibirenge yewe fuck ske yishe mutu mudamu yewe filmira sinners and saints filime niko yiswe abatagatifu n'abanyabyaha kuki yiswe ityo ndakubwiye itararangira urabimenye
Whoa, so wait!
Budas, wait, mudamu wabandi hasi.
Man, you fucking cop! You fucking cunt cop! Put the gun down!
Budas!
Stop, you fucking tosser!
Chaka wa mupolisi we, gira tukana mupolisi.
Fuck off! You fucking dog! I'll fucking kill her! I'm warning you! You're a fucking psycho cunt! Keep crying, sweetheart. Keep fucking crying! You're gonna kill her! Put the gun down! Now!
Budas, no!
You wanna fucking see it? I'll fucking kill her where she stands! She's gonna fucking die for you! Right now! I'm raising me all on the fucking pavement! Right now!
Oh! Nubona umuntu ufashe imbunda kuriye ukabona afunze umwuka jya umenya ko ari sohotse. Ubu ndababwira zatage tuko twazize. Ukabona umuntu navuga none akageraho ko umuntu atagihumeka adatera uravuga utirira sohotse. Nuko ba sniper barasa urabanza ugahita iyo ufunze umwuka amasagonda nk'atatu urarekura. Oh! Nuko dupima muje barashinyitse murambona mugashinyika. Mujya vuga dore ikisha imbere yacu mwuka apamo.
What happened?
Yagenze biti.
What?
Iki?
We don't know.
Nago tubizi.
Something went really wrong. What do you mean something went really wrong?
Hari byabaye nabi. What do you mean something really went wrong? Go kucyirimo kuvuga ko ibintu byagenze nabi.
Fucking details in that.
Ibi byumbwira ni biki ndashaka makuru arambuye.
The reporters were saying that there was some kind of shootout.
Hari bibi byabaye tuza kuraswa ariko turaswa n'umuntu udasanzwe.
The roll deck crew, Ranko, Cole, all of them.
Ranko wo twitaga Ranko uramwibuka ngo hari uwo bitaga Ranko niba baramwitaga iryo zina.
Fuck is this possible?
Ibyo uravuga ibiki? What the fuck is this supposed to mean? Ibyo umbwira birashaka gusobanura iki? Ka telefone. Kumbe bari bahamagaye bafite boss wabo mukuru.
Hello.
Hello.
That's all you have to say to me, Raymond? That's it?
Now, Rick, the way.
No, I'm done.
Ibyo ugomba kubwira boss hano niba yararwaye kwa kundi bantu barwana intuza zikabyimba. Amavi ku buryo uvugiriza umuntu akiriko. Babyita cyarya. Nuko ngiki? Imisoto.
From the sound of my last phone call with the company, so are they.
Well, I've tracked him down this far. That must account for something.
Of course.
Namushakishije ntago birimo gupfa gushoboka ariko ndacyamushakira the boss ko nagenda yewoka twabo. Intuza zarabyimbye. Zarabyimbye uburi umuntu yejeje intoryi zikabyimba cyane niko agenda mu murima.
The possibility.
Hari uburyo bworoshye cyane mushaka ko muginga murangize cyangwa nyamba shaka mbarangize boss abyimbye ninda abantu nk'aba ngabo bagiragenda ukabacisha mu misoto bakindi koro ikamera nk'iya yanga ikarenganira.
Oh please Raymond, don't do this.
This grappling, seriously, I just can't
stomach it. I can't.
Wikora ibi bagore mujye imbere ndacyatongana kuri telefone.
What it is.
Ndabiyamye mutojya ku maraporo mbi uwo muginga mushake mbone sinshaka kumbwira ngo hari byanananye.
Now you hold on. Rick,
boss.
Doskoro.
Ntuzongere kumpamagara nsanje guhamagara.
Richter!
Boss! Riff boss! Boss yitwa Riff. Boss arakupa. Iki kiyoboye ibirara, boss ari hejuru.
Riff?
Riff.
I want you and Decker.
We na Decker ndabashaka. I want you and Decker.
Find out what the hell went so fucking wrong.
Mugende mumenye niki cyabaye kibi. What the hell went fucking wrong? Mugende mushake niki cyabaye nabi.
Let's go, boys.
Tugende basori. Gatwe kabini uyoboye. Wari umuyoboye yapfuye. What really went wrong? Cyabaye nabi. Kumba barangije job. Barangije nijoro.
Hey, baby. Are you okay?
Yeah. Mukarage mugenzi yifite nyirakamana we. Uraho cyema semana. Ndaho ye cyemana.
Beth? Hi.
Ni madamu wanjye mwiza.
My friend Sarah.
Umukobwa wanjye ugikundira umwamikazi Sarah.
And this is little Mad Max.
Uyu bamwita magisi w'umusazi. Akira imodoka ujye kujya umunyenga.
Yes, baby.
Papa ngwenyo, mubwiye ukuntu banteye nkinge kukabona. Ubwana rero nabwo babwishimye mu rugo. Papa, ubwiye ya mugana y'abajyamutera ukinge kukabona. Umwaraje baricara ku meza.
You guys, this was really great.
Ibi ni byiza kuba munyimvise wanyu. Sasa cyambere igi uyu mupolisi bararwanya amanywa yose bari mu job. Ndabwo hari abantu bajya mu kazi k'indyankurye. Niyo mpamvu giye navuye mu bintu nka biriya nigira kuri mikrofone musigaye mbabwira mukajyaho mukama amafaranga. Urumva? Ibintu nk'ibi by'inzavu mbasinzi naho byaturutse ariko Yes mbabwiza ukunda babwira kandi mukajyaho umudomo ni untunze ubu ngubu ntago nyituzwe na bwa bucura reka da.
Yes, it was. Yeah.
Batangiye kuganira.
Any kids?
Wigeze ushaka undi ati cyane nigeze ushaka. Wigeze ubyara?
We had a son. His name was Jacob. He was 6 years old.
Nari mfite umwana w'umuhungu afite imyaka 6. He was 6 years old.
Diagnosed with leukemia about a year and a half ago.
Ntabwo nari mpari.
Yeah, so anyways, she left after that.
Mudamu wanjye umwana wanjye amaze gupfa nawe yaragiye.
She could only take looking at me and seeing him for so long, you know.
Nuko byangendekeye ntabwo byabaye neza.
Sorry. Yeah, I didn't know.
Nibyo mana kutambwiye man.
Usually I just make up some bullshit story to tell people because I don't want to seem so.
Bibaho rimwe na rimwe nanga kubivugaho ariko iyo muye n'abantu batabizi barambaza nkababwira. Uyu mugabo yigeze kugira umuryango apfusha akana kagahungu kari gafite imyaka 6. Umugore we avuga ko yaciyeho ariko ubwo nawe nugucaho nyine murabyumva.
And Sarah, what are you doing to this poor kid?
Sarah kakagabuga ko ari ibiki?
No, we don't want to be a princess. That's not.
Mwana nuka umwami kazi jya umugabo. Gishiki cyawe n'ikikagushuke. Oya gishiki cyagiye kimwambika nk'abagore. N'umuryango w'ibyishimo mu rugo abantu babishimye. Abagabo nko mubizi nanjye umuntu aje kunsura dusiga umugore n'abana mu nzu rimwe rimwe byo tumaze kuganira nje nisohokera hanze kuri balcony abatazigira murakapfa nabi. Ndabwira abantu bo mu mageto y'Inyamirambo.
I'm sorry, man.
Ihangane mwana.
I'm sorry I froze up on you today.
Ihangane kubyabaye umunsi.
Get that out of your mind. You did exactly what anyone else would have done.
Wakoze ibyo buri muntu wese yakora. Oya.
I mean, you went in there after them like the odds were in your favor.
Wakurikiye bari abaswa wenyu urimo kwataka no bakwataka ari nkishira hamwe je ninya kumanuka. Oya ntago ariko bimeze. Basanga ndekigwari mukarajya ari marigaya kumbe koko uyu mugabo mwibuke neza babandi batakaga nabo yataka. Tekeza abantu bameze gutyo. Usibye umuntu wize igisirikare. Na wundi muntu wataka kuri.
Norman Rockwell you got.
Na nundi muntu wita kuri bagenzi biyo barimo gupfa. Uwa barimo kureba ko yakwica gusa. Ni gikomanda.
That's the difference.
Yatangiye kumubwira ko afite itandukaniro.
A blessing out of every tragedy.
What's that?
My father, he was a preacher.
Data yari umuvuga butumwa.
If there's anything my old man ever taught me is that everything happens for a purpose.
Gusa data niba hari ibintu yakundaga kwigisha mu nsengero yaravugaga ngo ibintu byose bibaho kubera impamvu. Everything happens for a purpose.
To suffer in agony for 2 years.
Amaze nk'imyaka 2 umugore wanjye amaze tutakiri kumwe n'umwana wanjye tutakiri
kumwe. Is that going different and I was the one lying cold on that street right now?
Usiko nari kuba nasigaye hariya mu muhanda ukuntu wagiye wataka wasaga n'utabaragiye.
Sitting here comfortably beer.
Oh, come on, man. Ain't it possible that what happened to you and your family wasn't just random tragic bad luck? Maybe there's something greater at stake?
What are you trying to say? That what happened today was something holy? I don't believe in miracles. I'm not a saint, Will.
Muvandimwe, I'm not a saint, bro. Ntabwo ndi umutagatifu. Sinjya nizera mu bitangaza ngo ibyabaye byose ni kubw'impamvu. Umwana wanjye ntiyapfa ngo ni kubw'impamvu. I'm not a saint. Filime yiswe Saints and Sinners.
You're gonna believe what you believe, I believe what I believe.
Wizera ibyo wizera nanjye ndizera ibyo nizera. You're gonna believe what you believe, I believe what I believe. Wizera ibyo wizera ndizera basukaye. Dore umwana w'umupasiteri wo kacwa. Icyo kunywa rakirusha sashi. Wa wundi wo muri Baba Boys. Sashi nyakwicwa n'uburoro.
And you gotta get some sleep.
Wogenda uruhuke. Nanye nshaka kuryo njya kuruhukamo. Mu gitondo bagomba kujya ku kazi. Saint Roche. Saint ngo Seroshe. Imodoka bafite indika kandi bagashwanyaguza ishawo. Yukumbe yirarira mu modoka rimwe na rimwe. Aho gabaragan, hello?
Yeah, no problem. What's going on?
Nikijya mbere.
Where?
Hey.
I'm on my way.
Ndi mu nzira yanje. I'm on my way. Ndi mu nzira ndaje. I'm on my way. Saints and Sinners niyo filime turora. Abatagatifu n'abaki? Ngwiki? Sinabapfubuzoka. Dore undi mupfu angagaka we bamutwitse nabi. Wa mukobwa bari baje kureba witwa Stacy.
Hey, what's up?
Hello.
So you sure it's her?
Sean.
Yeah, it's her.
You go?
Hey, you realize what this means, right? This ain't about Weddle. This is all your buddy Colin.
All right, listen. You have any luck tracking that other number on Sonny's cell phone?
Another dead end.
Ibi byose byatewe n'inshuti yawe Carl. Abantu bose bazanye na Carl barimo barapfa nabi cyane.
Check the reporter's phone records. See if that same number pops up anywhere.
You think it's Collins?
All right, I gotta go.
Stay kugenda. Bakiri kuri telefone. Tom Berenger, boss. Yagukinaga filime kitwa Sniper. Rimwe kabiri na gatatu. Tom Berenger.
We know who it is?
Uzwari we?
Yeah, her name's Stacy.
Yitwa Stacy.
Met her yesterday.
Twahuye ejo.
Connected with one of our possible suspects.
Abani bamwe mu bantu nyeka noneho natangiye gukeka n'umuntu ushobora kuba uri ari nyuma barimo guhiga ari nyuma yibi.
Look.
Umva.
I hate to bring this up, but
Ntabwo nagomba kuzana ibintu.
Headquarters. Heat's being put on them from City Hall, who's being hammered by the press about those shootings yesterday.
Amasasu yabaye ejo babimbwiye ndabisuka ejo mwahanganye. Abanyamakuru batangiye kubivugaho ariko none.
Kind of looks that way.
Agaruko turi bukore.
How much time do I got? Tomorrow.
Akazi ni ryari nshobora kunkuba ushobora kunkura kuri kirego ni nkejo.
Think so.
Ukomeje kubijyaho nawe ushobora gupfa.
Look, I need your help. You get the forensics to rush the IDs on those guys from the shootout? Sean, come on, Pete.
Nyeneye forensics nabakurikirana abapfu uburyo bapfuyemo n'ababikoze ndetse nyeneye kumenya shooters abarashi. Ejo twarasanye.
I'll do what I can.
Okay, ndakora ibishoboka. I do what I can. Ndakora ibyo nshoboye. I will do. Ndaza gukora what I can. Ndakora ibyo nshoboye. Reko nagufasha. Barasanye ni bandi. Shaka kagabo gafite ijigo. Uraribonye? N'akantu kagakanu wajyaho ni Sankara bafitanye Sankara.
Thought I was a small one.
Hello.
About a dozen times.
God damn it.
Why Malcolm?
Nasubiye mu birego inshuro nk'amaduzeni like 100,000 times. Amaduzeni inshuro ibihumbi. Nasanze Carl abantu bose baziranye n'abafitanye isano aribo bahiga.
He's got to have something on these guys looking for him.
Abagabo barimo kwica abantu nibo barimo gushaka.
We're going to the press.
Right. So we got to get to him before they do.
Tugomba kumubona mbere yuko barimo kumuhiga bamubona. Kala tubwire niye mpamvu abamuhiga bakomeje kwica abantu.
All right, I'm on my way.
Sawa ndi mu nzira yanjye ndaje duhure. Right, I'm on my way. Ndi mu nzira ndaje. Barashaka Carl. Abahiga Carl barimo barica abantu. Bagiye babaza buri muntu wese ku muhanda barimo kubona. Kumbe Carl yari umusirikare. Carl kuba yari umusirikare baragenda berekana ifoto ya gisirikare ariko bakabaza uwo muntu ari he. Wanga kuvuga bagwatiriza uyu muntu uramuzi. Wapi mani? Yewe wapi kabisa ndinyera gutabara ariko wapo sinamuzi nzige ndinda kabari. Wapi usibye ko turindi rondo se nta umbwo tumuzi kabisa. Yo bamwe babaye n'abahanzi. Uzi uvuye muri Afghanistan amasasu yaragucaga hejuru. Bagamba haku. Wanga kuvuga baramuhatiriza. Uyu muntu uramuzi. Undi muniga. Urinyera gutabara turakoze uyu muntu uramuzi. Wapi kabisa. Aho twakomangiraga igikopo genda tekeraga abasirikare mani. Nago ibiyoga barabimena. Nago nariwe. Hey! Bagabo bari hano. Batangiye kubariza Carl. Bamubonye baramenya abamuhiga impamvu bamuhiga. Carl afite amabanga akomeye. Yibibi yakoze. Kandi abamuhiga bararwana gisirikare, ntabwo barwana gipolisi cyangwa gisivile. Reka da. Ntabwo barwana nk'inyera gutabara. Barwana nk'abakiri mu kazi. Aho ko babaririza ikigabo. Man bite niga.
Oh, lost or something?
Kayobye. Mukomeze turimo turibariza ibyacu. Mwana ko tubabaza ni mutubaze. Urabona ko turi abapolisi bafite za badge. Uri bufuzi. Imbunda zivayo. Daracika. Nini kandi? Vaya baniga. Barabashimuse nabo. Ho! Nimujya guperereza shaka ku bantu ni nk'umuntu uzamenyera agiye akaza kumpererezaho. Ndagukurura se mfite ibirara shagiye nako mfite abantu banjye ntago navuga bari. Ntago ari ibirara. Yes, cyagare. barabakuruye baranje bajyana mu quartier hakuno.
Fuck is going on?
Nikijya mwana muceceke niga. Harundi buri mukijima. Uri mu mwijima. Abanza barabafungura. Ntibazore mu mwijima ninde. Bamurebye. Havana urusura rwahiye shaho. Do. Nikijisho cyahiriyemo.
Recognize me, white boy?
Uranyibuka wa muzungu we? Recognize me, white boy? Ngo wa mwana we w'umuzungu uranyibuka? Recognize me, white boy?
That's good.
Yes.
Guess we can cut straight to the fucking chase. I want to know what you know.
Oh, no, reka tujye ku ngingo nshaka kumenya ibyo muzi.
Fucking kidding me?
Uri murakina cyangwa?
Do I look like a humorous motherfucker to you?
Urabona nsa n'igiswa kije mu mikino hano. Turabandi birabo.
Somebody butchered my family.
Hari umuswa watemaguye umuryango wanjye. Somebody butchered my family. Butcher muri nababazi. Ababaga inka ababaga n'ihene. Iyo umuntu bamwise butcher aba ari umubazi. Umuntu rero yabaza umuryango wanjye.
Roasted my baby brother alive.
Yabaze murumuna wanjye nakundaga. Butchered my baby brother I loved.
They took from me the only thing good.
They took from me the only thing good. Banyambuye ikintu cyiza gusa.
The only thing pure.
The only thing pure. Ikintu nari mfite nk'ikintu cy'umwimerere.
I ever had a hand in.
But we don't know shit.
Mwana ntabwo umuntu wishe murumuna we tumuzi.
Please, please, all right. You got this fucking wrong. It's ain't about
you. Mwatuyobeyeho ntabwo twe turabishanye. Kirongeye kirabarebera ushujije.
What you mean? I know this ain't about Malcolm.
It's not about Malcolm.
Mwana umuntu murimo gushaka ndamuzi. Mako nanjye ndamuzi.
About Malcolm's job.
Ntabwo turimo turashaka Mako ariko abo Mako azi barimo barabica.
Widow, your brother was in the wrong place at the wrong fucking time, all right?
Okay, umuvandimwe wawe yari ahantu habi mu gihe kibi. Niba yaraziranye na Mako bashaka Mako bica murumuna wanyu.
I understand where your head's at, man.
Ndabizi icyo bisobanuye nakababaro kuri wowe.
Be doing the same fucking thing.
Gusa nawe urimo guhiga Mako natwe niwe duhiga Mako.
But trust me, it's the way to handle this.
Yeah, so what is?
Ntabwo twese twica murumuna wawe.
Let us do our jobs. Widow.
Yes.
Hunting and tracking people is what we're good at.
Twebwe tuzi guhiga abantu gusa abagizi ba nabi turabahiga kandi tukabageraho.
We'll find this motherfucker.
Nitubabona tuzaguha umuswa mwirwarize.
He's right. With us is the best chance you got to find these guys before they skip town.
Umva ni twebwe abantu beza mufite gufata uwo muswa wakwice murumuna wawe mbere yuko ace ku mujyi. Ubu turi mu kirego kimwe. Sasa abantu bagenda batwika kirumuna cy'iki kirabura nacyo bagitwikiyemo. Aba barimo guhiga icyatwitse rero. Iki nacyo kibaboneyeho kujya kibabaza uwatwitse ninde. Ariko bararenga nabo ntibarakimenya cyatwitse. Sawa. Ndabarira ndi mwene Myasiro.
Shadow on your ass watching and waiting.
Mwana nzaba mu mwijima ndebe udutafari twanyu kandi ntegereje. I'll be in the shadow watching your ass and waiting. Nzaba mu mwijima ndebe udutafari twanyu kandi ntegereje. No kuvuga ngo abaho bagenda bose ikigabo kirabakurikiranye.
For this
ndategereje.
Motherfucker definitely gonna reap what he sowed, you heard me?
Uwo muswa agomba nawe kuzabona icyo yatanze ku bandi. Muranyumva yanyice petit frère man niga.
Yeah, I understand.
Ndabyumva nakababaro kawe ndakumva. Arabotera. Mubare kure man. Muradusiga ina kandi mwadukuye hakurya. Musubireyo n'amaguru muri abakomando niga. Komando bashaka kuvana n'amaguru kabwira uti mutaye Bugande n'amaguru. Iryo joro bakagerayo. Agenge mbaze batega ubutaro bagenda bate. Aho kuzabana ukuntu bagenda. Narumiwe jewe.
Nobody knows shit. What about you guys? Forensics ID the burn Vic from yesterday.
Yeah, Louis Gunter.
Barekuye barangije baje ku kirego cy'abantu barasanye ejo bundi.
Boy. What about these guys?
Abagabo nyensa no bazi.
It's a strange deal. All the IDs we found on them?
Aramaranga muntu yabo wigeze ubona se cyangwa hari ubindi buryo ubozemo.
Bogus.
All of them?
Yeah, but not your usual internet garbage. Real high quality stuff. I honestly thought they were the real deal till I ran them.
Yeah. Why don't you take a look at Pretty Boy over here?
Gwaje ukareba kagahungu gasa nari keza.
Well, here's something you might find interesting.
Dore no dusasu dusana.
Out of his shoulder.
Akavanye mu bitu.
Bullet fragments.
Is that fragments z'amasasu? Bullet fragments. Oh.
So what is it?
Nibiki?
Shrapnel.
That's what I was figuring. Check this one out.
Check this one. Yeah.
Forensics is guessing it's from a 308 or bigger. There's another one in the meat locker. He's got a Cyrillic tattoo on his forearm and what looks to be old white phosphorus burn scars peppered all over his back. Looks that way.
Well, that explains a lot.
So,
yesterday when I shouted out with these guys, weapons, tactics.
Intwaro zabo, tactics zabo, their weapons, tactics. Tactique barwanagamo intwaro bakoreshaga kwataka kwabo.
Like soldiers.
Barwanaga nk'abasirikare umva kananga hakurya like soldiers.